We felt like there was a lot of good space back here. We knew it wasn't used properly, and we knew it could be done better, which is why we turned to J.S. Brown to figure that out for us. It turned out that what we really wanted was like a design build type situation. Because we had interviewed a few architects alone, we interviewed some builders alone.
One of the biggest things that came through when we were doing our reference check was the work that Monica Miller does as a designer and how that made all the difference in the world in the final product. People would make a point of calling back and had such a good experience that they really wanted to share it with us. And that's what finalized our decision.
We lived in the house for 10 years. The longer we lived here, the more we realized we just did not like the layout of the floor plan of the existing kitchen.
The base of this home is from the 1920s, and I think the thing that was most important about it was to maintain the integrity of an older home and not have something that looked new and different.
We felt like there was a lot of good space back here. We knew it wasn't used properly, and we knew it could be done better. We just didn't know exactly what that meant. I guess it was in October, November. We started working with J.S. Brown first on deciding on the floor plan.
We really started picking out materials and finalizing design after the first of the year. They started construction, demolition I think was mid-June.
Yes,
and we were in this space, I'd say by end of September, beginning of October.
Where the kitchen was is now a dining area. And we moved the kitchen into what was at the time a half wall that was a breakfast bar that overlooked the family room. That's gone now. There was a study area, a desk area, that now is where the kitchen is.
We actually were able to change the orientation of the room and make it into a more modern open living space for us.
One of the interesting things about it was the fact that the family room itself, we really didn't touch the floor plan. It made it much more open. The mudroom is where there was like a wet bar type area. I'm the cook in the family. It was designed with what I had intended to put into it, so definitely, the kitchen is the thing for me.
I like the island. It's become a gathering space for the family, and Bob still has enough distance so that he has room to move without all of us in his personal space.
And I considered it a challenge to see if we could continue to eat similar to how we were, just, having to make some compromises. And we did okay. I mean, we ate out some, but...
Towards the end, we'd stopped caring so much.
Yeah.